My parents' house is the place we all gathered, the place where we have family dinners on Sundays and Christmas, Easter, and all the birthdays. So many gatherings of friends, family, babies, and kids. When buyers are looking at their future home, one of the questions they always have is, what's the history of the home? And what's the story of this home? And so right after my listing appointment for this place, the daughter emailed me. And I said to her, this is what I want the listing video to be. So this is the letter that the daughter sent to me, and this will give you some of the history of this home that you might be buying. My parents' house, it's the place where we all get our homemade birthday cake and gather around the table and sing happy birthday for all of us, kids, spouses, grandkids, and even great-grandchildren. We've had so many wedding showers, baby showers, and celebrations of milestones there. I stayed there the night before I got married, and I came back with my husband and kid in between homes, as did my brother. So it was a very full home for many years. It's where we all stop by for a quick chat or a coffee or always a snack. My mom will always try to feed you. My parents love nothing more than to be surrounded by friends and family and good food. They have annual Boxing Day dinners that consists of all their friends and family that they will always keep the dinner theme a secret until the day of. It's something we all look forward to and enjoy. We've thoroughly enjoyed living in this home, the parks, the paths, the school nearby, and we are so happy that you get to be a part of this and help find new owners for this home.